and welcome to Ecom Premium today with another tutorial on custom CSS coding on a live Shopify store. So here we have another question from a client merchant Christian Russo on official Shopify community. He's asking that how to make footer text smaller. So he's talking about definitely a footer. If you have your Shopify store, you can see that we are on it on a live Shopify store. So here you see he's inquiring about how to make footer text smaller like this. He's talking about this text. So we will just apply another thing, like here you see that this is text is like this. So for this how you can do this, like how you can make the text smaller from this. So you have to do some custom CSS coding. So first of all, you have to take the class, just right click on the text, click on inspect. After inspecting, you will see that you will get the class of that text here like this, and you have to get the class of that heading from here. This is the class of this heading. So if you want to select all the text like this, you can check it by clicking on different footer text classes like this. Here you see now we have all the classes of our footers here. So you have to look into this by going on the right side, and then you can simply apply this on the text. Just like this, you see there is this class showing here, like then you have to copy the class like this, as we have just copied, and then you have to paste this class inside your custom theme CSS. After copying the class of this heading, this paragraph, you have to go to the edit code of published theme, and you have to look for assets, and inside the assets we are going to put the code in CSS of SS file. Most probably it will be with the name of base.css in new OS 2.0 themes. But in other than themes other than OS 2.0, you will see this as a name of theme.css, theme.scss, or usually base.css in new OS 2.0 themes. So here you see we are going into the bottom, and there you have to paste that class you have just copied. Replace the spaces inside the classes with a dot, and then put a dot at very first. If you are going to implement CSS with the help of class, you have to make a dot at the very beginning like this here. And if you are going to make a custom CSS for some ID, then you have to replace the dot with hash, right? So here we are going to write font size is like 10px like this. So after doing this, you can just save it, and when you save it, you see we will refresh it, and we will see that if there is some changes. Okay, here you see the text size has been changed now for this specific heading. If you are selecting the class for all these sections, inside the section you can make a single value for all the text inside this section. Just we were doing like inspecting. So here this was a nice tutorial, new tutorial for today on custom CSS coding. Please subscribe to our channel if you are looking for daily new tutorials on custom CSS coding like we did. Subscribe the channel and hit the like button so others can also get a view that this video is really going to be helpful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.